Hi, and welcome to Hi-Fi Collector's Quick Tip Tutorial number 2. This one is going to help you find the value of your audio equipment. And a little hint here, you can find the value of a lot of other things as well using the same method. Now you have to have an eBay account in order for this to work. So if you don't have an eBay account, it's free to set one up, and then you can go ahead and access what is known as the advanced search function, which is right over here off the main eBay page, ebay.com. Click on advanced, and then what you want to do is you want to go down here and click on completed listings. Now this is going to give you the last couple months of completed listings within eBay sales. So it's not going to have everything. It's not like having a database like the Orion Blue Book where you can look up vintage gear from way back and it will give you an average price, which the Orion Blue Book usually gives you the prices that pawn shops use to sell things to resale. But this is a little bit different, but it does give you a good idea, especially for more popular items like the one we're going to be searching for today, the Venerable Pioneer SX1250. I just know for a fact that they must have sold several of these. So we've already got the completed listings checked. We're going to click on search, and here we go. Lots of parts, capacitors, and so forth. We can actually narrow that search by clicking on vintage electronics and receivers, and we can see that there's 24 listings for this. Starts off with parts, but you can sort according to most recent or highest price. Let's do that just for kicks. And there we go. Look at that. The green ones are the ones that sold, the red ones are the ones that didn't sell. And looks like they're hovering right around the $500 mark, $400 to $500 depending on condition. This is not an exact science, folks, as I've talked about before as far as pricing your gear goes, but it gives you a good idea of what you can expect to get on eBay anyway. Thanks for joining me for another quick tip tutorial here on Hi-Fi Collector. Join us at hificollector.com for all of your vintage and modern day audio needs.